Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth and turn off. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on App Management. After click on App Management, click on App List and scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. For example, this is Bluetooth. Click on Clear Cache. If you want to fix Bluetooth problem, so Clear Cache Bluetooth. After Clear Cache Bluetooth, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone and click on Reset All Settings. Click on Reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on Settings app, click on My Phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.